Hello, please meet Isabella d'Este, an influential patron of the arts known for her cultured court in Mantua. Isabella has commissioned Leonardo to paint her portrait, but he has never found the time to do it. And do you know why? Because after 16 years, he still hasn't finished mine. I would be eternally grateful if you would help Leonardo complete my portrait. As Leonardo's artistic apprentices, of course, you might want to practice some of his groundbreaking techniques, like the golden ratio he used for my portrait. But if you're feeling ready to take on a challenge, I invite each of you to pick out a puzzle piece of my portrait and bring color and life to it, adding your own personal flair. Leonardo does so love creative minds. And don't forget to sign your name to your finished works of art backwards, like Leonardo.
Magnifico!